English speech National Birds Day, 5th January. Dear friends and fellow bird lovers, good morning. Today I am here to say something about a very beautiful creature of the universe. Birds. Every year, 5th January is celebrated as National Birds Day worldwide. All of you have seen different birds in your life. Some are flying, some are sitting on the roofs, some are pruning their feathers in warm weather, and some are fluttering their wings in the cages. Wherever they are, they enhance the beauty of the environment. When they chirp, the charm of the surrounding is elevated. When they are on trees, trees feel pleasure on their fates. National Birds Day is observed to raise awareness about the birds. All the birds are created not only for beautifying the world, but also to maintain the balance of natural ecosystem. Not only peacocks and eagles are appreciable, but even the vultures also are a valuable gift for our planet. Nothing but today. To say with sorrow, many bird species are facing survival challenges like pollution, deforestation, pesticides, and hunting. Here, the problem is to take our share individually for saving them from becoming extinct. We can take the following steps. We should put water and feed for them on our roofs. We should clean their cages if we have the captured ones. We should clip up birds' wings only if it is necessary. We should avoid hunting them. We should not cut our trees from our surroundings. We should turn off bright lights at night in their migration season. Together, we can establish a birds friendly environment. So let's take action, let's make difference, and let's celebrate the birds fantasy. Happy National Birds Day. Thank you.